Hello everyone! Welcome to our Scientific Day. I'm Sir Arnold B. Medina of Hagunoy West Central School, and I have a journey to understand different things around us. Ready to go? Come on, and let's see how science is everywhere. Our MELC competency is classify materials based on the ability to absorb water, float or sink, and undergo decay. In our environment, there are many and different materials that can be classified according to its properties. Some materials can be classified based on its ability to absorb water, while some materials can be absorb water more than the others. In this lesson 1, you will learn more about how to classify which materials absorb water and which do not. Are you ready to learn? In this time of pandemic, where children like you are expected to stay inside home, did you help in doing home chores? Have you experienced washing the dishes? If you are going to wash your dishes, what are the materials you are going to use? How will you describe these materials? Before we proceed to our experiment, we are going to accomplish this table later. On the second row, you are going to write what happened when you squeeze the material. On the third row, you are going to put a triangle if the material absorbs water or a circle if it doesn't absorb water. For these activities, we need to prepare the following materials: cotton balls, face towel, rubber balls, rug, sponge, t-shirt, tissue paper, rubber slipper, plastic mat, and a bond paper. And also we need the basin or a pail of water, tray, or a big bowl of water. We need to follow the following steps. First, put the materials one by one on the basin of water. Second, lift up the materials and squeeze. Third, record your observation in the table provided. And last, do the same for each materials. The first material is cotton balls. I'm going to put it in the basin and squeeze. Record your observation. What happened to the cotton when I put it in the water? Next, a face towel. As you can see, the face towel is wet, and it also absorbs water. I squeeze it. Next, the rubber ball. As you can see, in the rubber ball, the water only stays on the surface of the ball. What happened when I squeeze the ball? Next, rug. I squeeze. Next, a sponge. Then I squeeze the sponge. Third, t-shirt. What happened to the t-shirt? As I squeeze. Next, tissue paper. What happened to the tissue paper? And then, I squeeze. Next, a rubber slipper. What happened to the rubber slipper? Then I squeeze. Next, rubber mat. What happened to the rubber mat when I squeeze? And last, a bond paper. What happened? You may now proceed to answer this activity based on our experiment. Remember, you can always pause this video anytime so that you have enough time to answer this activity. Or you have 10 seconds to answer. And the timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Number 1, cotton balls. Water comes out. Triangle. Number 2, face towel. Water comes out. Triangle. Rubber balls. It doesn't absorb water. Circle. Rug. Water comes out. Triangle. Sponge. Water comes out. Triangle. T-shirt. Water comes out. Triangle. Tissue paper. Water comes out. Triangle. Rubber slipper. It doesn't absorb water. Circle. Plastic mat. It doesn't absorb water. And bond paper. Water comes out. Triangle. How many of you got 10? Very good. How about 9? That's wonderful. How about 8? That's great. How many got 7? That's good. What are the examples of materials that absorbs water? Very good. Describe what happened to the material when it absorbs water. That's good. What comes out as you squeeze the sponge? That's good again. How do porous and non-porous materials differ? Very good. Absorb, to take in something such as liquid in a natural or gradual way. Porous, having a small holes that allow air or liquid to pass through. Non-porous, materials that do not allow air or liquid to pass through. Cotton or tissue paper are very porous materials, which make them natural absorbents of water. Plastic are non-porous materials. It doesn't absorb water. These are the molecular structure of porous and non-porous materials. Molecules of non-porous materials are close together. That's why no air or water can pass through on them. While molecular structure of porous materials have holes where air and water can pass through them. That's why they absorb water. Color the box beside each materials red if it is porous material, and green if non-porous. Are you ready? Number 1, rubber ball. Number 2, cotton balls. Number 3, sponge. Number 4, face towel. Number 5, t-shirt. And number 6, rug. Number 7, tissue paper. Number 8, Manila paper. Number 9, styrofoam. And number 10, curtain. Remember, you can always pause this video anytime so that you have enough time to answer this activity. Or you have 10 seconds to answer. And the timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up.
Here is the correct answer. Number 1, green, non-porous. 2, red, porous. 3, red, porous. 4, red, porous. 5, red, porous. 6, red, porous. 7, red, porous. 8, red, porous. 9, green, non-porous. 10, red, porous.
How many of you got 10? You are amazing. You did it well. How many of you got 9? You are great. You learned a lot. How many of you got 8? You are good. If you got 7 and below, keep it up. I know that you can do it. This activity designed to process what you have learned from this lesson. Write true on the space provided if the statement is correct. If the statement is false, change the underlined word with correct answer. Select from the word inside the box. Write your answer in your activity sheet. Remember, you can always pause this video anytime so that you have enough time to answer this activity. Or you have 10 seconds to answer. And the timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up.
Here is the correct answer. Number 1, non-porous. 2, true. 3, porous. 4, absorb. 5, can't absorb. How many of you got 5? Very good. How about 4? That's good. How many got 3 and below? It's okay. You can do it better next time.
This last activity of this lesson is designed to showcase your skills and knowledge gained and applied into real-life situations. Write only your answer in your activity sheet to be submitted on Friday. Congratulations on completing the Lesson 1. You may now proceed to Lesson 2.